When if is followed by the verb be, it is grammatically correct to say if I were, if he were, if she were, and if it were. If I were. If I were you, I would travel abroad. If I were you, I would talk about it. If I were the president, I would invest more money in schools. If I were younger, I would travel more. If she were. If she were you, she would travel alone. If she were the victim, she would explain what happened. If she were John, she would book her reservations now. If she were a student, she would attend Oxford College. If he were rich, he would buy a mansion. If he were the president of his country, he would make a difference. If he were a bird, he would fly everywhere. If he were young again, he would respect his parents. If it were white, it would be better. If it were a ghost, it would chase everyone.